Hey friends, welcome back to another video. So today I am going to be doing a ponytail with a wig, and I would also like to mention that I am not a professional. This is just a DIY. In fact, my DIY. To begin, I applied the Mediana Air Booster Serum because it gives my hair this shiny look. Then I go ahead to detangle my hair. My hair is very hard. Let me just allow you guys to hear the sound it's making. This is how we are looking after detangling it. Then I went ahead sorry, to cut my hair into two parts, and I had to make sure that the line is very straight because I want it to be very straight. So yeah. I divided one half into two, and I also did the same to the other half. So the line doesn't have to be straight, just make a line. Then afterwards I detangle it again. I combed it very thoroughly because it has to be free from any tangling. So the next step is for me to pack that part. My country. I don't know what to do at this point, so I just said to myself, see, I'm going to pack my shit outside. So I packed my shit outside to finish this video. I will be using this thread to tie the hair instead of a rubber band, because if I use a rubber band, it's not going to be very tight like the way I want it, and my hair is very short. I needed this. I used the threads to tie that part of the hair very tightly and make sure it is tight but not too tight. I packed this part so it won't mix up while I'm doing this other part. So from this other part, I cut a small portion from it, because if I just pack the rest together with the one at the back, it's not going to be so tight like the way I wanted it to. While doing this, I made sure I combed every small portion I cut from the one at the front thoroughly before adding it to the back, and I used a thread in tying them. After doing this part, then I did the same to the other part, and this is what it is looking like. The next thing I did was to apply edge control on my edges and also on the top part of the hair. So after applying the edge control, I did another round of tying to make it very tight, like the way I wanted it. So it was time for me to mat the mouth of my hair. Then I searched everywhere for an old attachment, but I couldn't find. So what I found was my old weave on, so I just used it to mat the hair instead. The moment you have all been waiting for, it's now time for me to apply my wig. Honestly, I don't know how to, but I'm going to do it anyways. So this was my first try. I tried my best this time, but okay. My first try didn't work. It did not work. It didn't work. Okay, let's go for another round. And this was my second try, and for this second round, I even went to seek the help of my mom's weave on, and I did my thing, and I thought this second time it was going to work, but it didn't. But I am not giving up. So this was the outlook. I did not like it. It was whoa. The second outcome was looking very promising. Like,
Yeah, but I still did not like it. I don't know why. It's not giving what I wanted. It's cool and all that, but now then I decided to try anything, something. I kept trying. I really wanted to make this thing work, and I did so many things. And at last, this is what I ended up having. I couldn't film it on camera because it was a lot of chaos. There was a lot of chaos. So yeah, this is the final look. I was even tired. I had to go inside. That's the final look. I hope you guys like the video. I hope you enjoyed my quick DIY thing. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.